Kitty.
Dogs aren't known for having wonderfully minty breath, but if you notice a marked change with even a little hiatus, it might be time to take a trip to the veterinarian. There could be something wrong with your dog's oral health. A change in the smell of your dog's breath may also be a cause for concern with respect to his gastrointestinal tract, liver, or kidneys. Digging is an instinctual activity, written deep in a dog's DNA. It is especially strong in terrier breeds. Dogs in natural packs will dig to hide food or to uncover food such as small rodents. A den dug in the cool earth can also provide shelter from the heat. Dogs who can't stop walking in circles may have a health issue. Sometimes it's fun to chase your tail, but if your pup can't shake the compulsion, there's a problem beneath the surface. Ear infections may cause circling, but compulsive tail chasing may occur with bull terriers. Most often, dogs bite people when they feel threatened in some way. It's a natural instinct that's still present in domesticated dogs. This is why it's important for everyone who interacts with a dog to understand what may provoke this aggressive behavior. A dog may bite to defend itself, its territory, or a member of its pack. Running away from a dog, even during play, can likewise provoke a bite. The dog may think it's part of the fun, or running away could trigger herding behavior or predatory pursuit in some breeds. And that's it, there's still a lot of dogs' behavior that we have to understand.